बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स शेयर करूँगी वो जॉब्स आई थी डॉन संडे 18 फरवरी 2024 के अखबार में। तो पहली जॉब है पार्क व्यू सिटी इस्लामाबाद, करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ डायरेक्टर सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग। पार्क व्यू सिटी इस्लामाबाद इज़ पाकिस्तान लीडिंग रियल एस्टेट developer, having its head office in Islamabad with international footprints in UK, Dubai and KSA. We employ more than 1,000 dedicated professionals. We are looking for director sales and marketing to spearhead the sales and marketing functions based in Islamabad. This is the senior leadership role reporting directly to the CEO. Roles and responsibilities spearhead द सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग। ये आप देख लीजिएगा, इसका आप स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिएगा। और क्वालिफिकेशन एंड एक्सपीरियंस, मिनिमम ग्रेजुएशन डिग्री फ्रॉम अ रिनाउंड यूनिवर्सिटी, मिनिमम 20 years ऑफ प्रोग्रेसिव एक्सपीरियंस इन रियल एस्टेट इंडस्ट्री, should be currently working in a senior management role, extensive experience of developing and managing larger dealer networks locally and internationally. Key skills, outstanding communication skills with the ability to lead large teams, deep understanding about real estate industry trends and dynamics, proven track record of meeting and exceeding sales targets in highly competitive environment, self-starter, explore new strategies and adapt to changing market dynamics. What we offer Parkview City Islamabad is diverse, inclusive and an equal opportunity employer. We offer highly competitive compensation and benefits along with career progression opportunities in a thriving work environment. How to apply? Interested candidates meeting the position requirements shall apply at dsm@parkview.pk latest by 25th February 2024, mentioning director sales and marketing in the subject. Only shortlisted applicants shall be contacted. ठीक है जी। अच्छा सादिक, अच्छा ये अरोर यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ आर्ट आर्किटेक्चर डिज़ाइन एंड हेरिटेज सक्खर सिंध। करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़, Aroor University invites applications purely on open merit basis for the period of 2 years, ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ extendable based on need, ब्रैकेट close on the HEC funded project titled Immediate Needs of Artistic Innovation and Technology Integration at Aroor University of Art, Architecture, Design and Heritage, Sindh from dynamic, qualified and result oriented candidates for the following position. Serial number 1, name of the post and pay scale, academic/professional credential requirements, job description, project coordinator/manager PPS 9, MS/ME/master's degree in civil engineering/project management, ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ 18 years from PEC/HEC recognized degree awarding institute/university with minimum 10 years of post qualification experience in project planning, execution, coordination or management, or experience in annual development program ADP, public sector development program PSDP, and foreign aided projects in any organization including government/semi-government/autonomous bodies. However, experience in HEIs will be given preference. Other requirements: strong organizational and time management skills, excellent communication and interpersonal skills with the ability to prioritize and manage multiple tasks simultaneously. Proficiency in project management tools and software, i.e. MS projects, PMES, are well versed with implementation/execution of public sector development program. ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है PSDP projects and annual development program, ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है ADP projects and PC1 projects sponsored by government. are well versed with Sindh PPRA and PPRA rules and regulations for project procurements. Job description: developing and maintaining project plans, schedules and budgets, coordinating project activities, ensuring they are executed in a timely and efficient manner, monitoring project progress and providing regular reports to stakeholders, collaborating with internal and external stakeholders, facilitating meetings as required, managing project documentation including contracts, reports and other relevant materials, identify and addressing project risks and issues and proposing appropriate solutions. Instructions: application should include an application form ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है टू बी डाउनलोडेड फ्रॉम वेबसाइट www.aror.edu.pk. डिटेल्ड resume, 2 latest photographs, duly attested photocopies of certificates/degrees, names and contact of 2 professional referees ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है नॉट रिलेटिव. इक्विवेलेंस ऑफ क्वालिफिकेशन बाय HEC ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है इन केस ऑफ फॉरेन डिग्री अलॉन्ग विथ पेमेंट ऑफ PKR 3000 थ्रू बैंक चेक/DD ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है नॉन रिफंडेबल इन फेवर ऑफ AROR यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ आर्ट आर्किटेक्चर डिज़ाइन एंड हेरिटेज सक्खर. कैंडिडेट्स हु आर ऑलरेडी सर्विंग इन गवर्नमेंट/सेमी गवर्नमेंट एंड ऑटोनॉमस बॉडीज शुड अप्लाई through proper channel with NOC from their employer and should submit the same along with the application. Such incumbents will be responsible for getting themselves relieved properly from their department. There shall be no relaxation for qualification and experience in complete applications as per the instructions mentioned above and/or late applications received after the specified date and time shall not be entertained/considered. Only eligible/shortlisted candidates shall be called for a test and/or interview. Furthermore, the OTA/TA will be paid for appearing in the test/interview, canvassing or influencing any staff of the university in any manner will disqualify the candidate. The university reserves the right for cancellation of advertised post. Application must reach the office of the Director Human Resources on or before March 8, 2024 before 5 p.m. via registered postal/courier service only. For more queries and information, email dir.hr@aror.edu.pk. Director Human Resources, AROR University of Art, Architecture, Design and Heritage, Sakhar, RCW रोहरी बाईपास सक्खर सिंध. फ़ोन नंबर 07193113003 07193113003. ईमेल dir.hr@aror.edu.pk. तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो. अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा. इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.